maybe somebody have mentioned vagin, what is it about? At least the name vagin connects to something. Technically, it connects to the female reproductive part, which connects to the female reproductive part, which helps everybody, and it is a product men don't use it. It is being used by women, but the interesting part is that it is men who loves the product. Now, what is vagin? Vagin is a refreshing intimate gel, and this is the female reproductive system that we all know. That's the vagina, the ovary, and the uterus. But you realize that the vagina is the main entrance to the reproductive system. Hence, our sisters are also exposed for any infection. It passes through the vagina. So that is it. But for us to have a healthy vagina, this is how a healthy vagina should look like. A healthy vagina is like a complete house, having the vagina epithelial cells, the superficial squamous, the vagina mucus, the lactobacillus, which is the health. When I talk about the lactobacillus, this is this one. It is the most beneficial bacteria in the female reproductive system, especially in the vagina, which fights all pathogens which comes into the vagina. So this is what the vagina is supposed to look like. And naturally, when pathogens enter, they are supposed to fight it. You also realize that the pH of the vagina, which is very critical to every woman, must always be 3.5 to 4.4. The vagina is also self-cleansing, and when you have the pH in a good situation, and at the same time, so you have the very good bacteria in it, including the antibacterial peptides and the bacteriocins, you are immune for greater and majority of the infections that as a lady or a mother or a woman, you will face. So if the vagina is healthy like this, as the pathogens enter, the TLK receptor, which serves like an alarm system, draw the attention of the immune protein and it fights it out. This is the reason why our mothers and our grandmothers in Africa were always telling us we shouldn't put anything in our vagina because it is self-cleansing and it's very healthy. So this is how the vagina healthy and the vagina environment needs to be like. But unfortunately, our sisters, wives, and mothers always use things like the disinfectants, the traditional medicines and herbs. And interestingly, everywhere I go, I get a new product which ladies are using as traditional medicine. In Abuja, I heard of alum that we use in water. Women use it to wash their vagina to give them a tightening effect as well. And in another place in Nigeria, that's Oyo, I heard of them using salt and pepper and ginger mixed together. Then they use it to steam the vagina. So gradually, I'm learning a lot the unhealthy practices which we need to advise our women to stop or avoid using it. Besides that, antibiotics, which is a very good product based on a doctor's prescription, but sometimes it's also been abused by women, also have issues on the vagina. And I can tell you, antibiotics is just like a military officer. When you have thief in the house and you inform the military officer or the military, when they come in, they are not the police. They come in and they shoot almost every human being they meet in the house. And that's how antibiotics also does. When you use it, it kills both the good and the bad bacteria. And if it is abused, it destroys the immune system and the vagina as well. And again, irritant suffocants. Women who have itchiness are always buying anything just to wash the place to keep it clean and healthy for them, as well as those who also use cheap colors because they want the place to smell nice and for we the men to enjoy, and therefore they are doing anything at all to keep us in good environment. But these are all issues which, when they use, it starts destroying the walls. As you see, it breaks down the mucus, weakening the immune system, and now it's just like a house that you have thrown a bomb into it. When they come in now, the pathogens come in now, because there's no control, no immunity, they come in and they go as deep as possible, and they can climb as far as any part of the vagina, to the extent that they can even enter the ovaries. And when they enter the ovaries, issues that we experience more are the women's cancer, the premature abortion. And in my presentation yesterday, in the second largest hospital in Abuja yesterday in the evening, 3 of the gynaes and the senior most gynae said that currently premature abortion is becoming a serious canker that we need to look at it. So he was happy to hear about this product, because all those who experience premature abortion, data percentage, he gave me about 85 or so, that they all have issues of what? Infection. And as well as fetus underweight, allergy and neonatal infections, then cervical erosion, pelvic inflammation, dry sexual pain, sex that we need to do and have fun to, we do it and we have pains, which shouldn't be so. Then odor and secretion is also becoming serious issues now, because our ladies, our wives, our mothers, our daughters are now using a lot of panty liners, and the demand for panty liners, all because our sisters and our female counterparts are experiencing a lot of discharges, which makes them uncomfortable. And the women on this platform will confirm. If you're a woman and your vagina is not so healthy for you, it affects your confidence level as well. So this is something that we all need to look at and work around it. But the good news is that we have vagin. And this is how vagin looks like. Okay, as you see there, we have vagin, and vagin is the only patented product that balances the microbes. All that I'm trying to let you understand that it promotes the friendly bacteria and it inhibits the bad bacteria. So what it does is that it helps or it enhances the self-cleaning system in the female reproductive system. And when you pick the box like this, we have a tube in it like this, and we have 6 of this in this box. Okay, 6 of this in this box. That is how the vagin is packaged. And when you insert vagin into the female reproductive system, this is how it is look like. When you open it, we have the gel sealed in it. You know, because of the way the vagina is, anything which is going there must be very well protected and treated. So though it is a supplement, but because of it being applied in the vagina, it is seen as a first grade pharmaceutical product. Hence, it is even sealed. You can hear the sound. Sealed in an aluminium foil, which when you want to apply last thing in the night when the lady is about to sleep. Again, what it does is that when you insert it in the vagina, it enhances the beneficial bacteria and start repairing it. It starts working on the pathogens because it contains antipathogens. And again, it helps the vagina to build its acidic environment. And when the acidic environment is protected or created, even the pathogens are not able to live in the acidic environment. And when you check the human anatomy, the vagina is the most acidic part of the reproductive system as well, and the body. Again, it starts repairing all the tissues and boosts the immune recovery. So this is what vagin is doing, and a lot of testimonies are coming up. But apart from that, the major ingredient is that it is the patented product, and the patent is called the vagin. Then it also contains an antibacterial and immune peptides. It also contains organic acid. It also has hyaluronic acid. It contains polysaccharides, vitamin E, and as well as 100% natural essential oil. And the natural essential oil, those who have used it, I know that when I finish, I'll ask for some free testimonies. Those who have used it will confirm that when they use it, they even sleep well and it relaxes them. That is what the natural essential oil also what does. And that is the future of our women repairing their system and making it also comfortable for men to also admire it and enjoy it. And at the same time, give them that confidence. What it also does is that it enhances the friendly bacteria and it inhibits the bad bacteria. This is the benefits. It gives them the moisture and the tightening effect. And when it comes to the moisture and the tightening effect, vagin is also good for women at the menopausal age and those who are also at the premenopausal ages, because they experience a lot of dryness and itchiness. So when they also start using it, they also enjoy and they feel comfortable as well. And because what it does is that it repairs the cells, nourishes the ovaries, and it restores the elasticity. That is, it works on the estrogen lining of the vagina in the premenopausal women and bring them back to their normal issues. And again, it improves sex life. It refreshes the aroma and the pheromones excretion. The vagin thrive less feedback. 90% of users who have used vagin said that it took care of their odor and it takes care of the eliminating effect. It reduced their infection and as well as what reduced their redness and pain. Again, at 95% 5% of the people who use Virgin also gave us feedback that it is high moisturizing, it gives them the vaginal firmness and tightening, and it improved the quality of their sexual intercourse. But this is a testimony between a doctor and a patient. And this is when the doctor asks, have you used the product and the Virgin? And the woman said, yes. My daughter has been struggling with vaginal odor and whites for a while now. Each time she comes from school, we have to see the doctor. So when you gave me the product, I asked her to use it for us to see. And after 3 days, she said the smell is gone, and the itching has reduced. But I ensure she finished the 6 days, and so far so very good. I hope she doesn't come down with any whites again. Then the doctor said, fantastic. But the doctor also advised that let her send another box to school and use one every 2 weeks. She should be fine. Then the doctor said, the woman said, thanks, doc. Why did he ask her to send another to school? Because she's still used to the open environment of infections, more students sharing the same washrooms and other things, and therefore she needs to be protecting herself. That's why she must use one every 2 weeks so that she can still build the immune system.